Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about a really cool Web 2.0 tool called Jeopardy Labs. This enables you to build your own game, and today we're going to use it in life fitness to build an assessment or a quiz for somebody in class, and you're going to use your information that we learned on the cardio video from Tuesday and information in the cardio chapter in the textbook. So the first thing you're going to do is you will go to jeopardylabs.com and you will click on Build a Game. And once you go into that mode called Quick Build, you'll go ahead and create a password. And that password will allow you to save your game and go back and edit it if you are not able to finish it within the time frame. So I'm going to go ahead and set a password and then start building. Of course, they want you to confirm it as always. Once the page loads, you will see a template that's very, very easy to access and easy to edit. And what you will do with this is just simply type right in the title here. So we're going to call this Cardio Quiz Review. Oops, little typo there. And then you go ahead and click on the category. I'm going to go with terms as my first category. We'll go with cardio exercises. And how about just for fun here, we'll do fit formula. Of course, that's frequency, intensity, time, and type. You would then go ahead and build your other category names. For the sake of just the demonstration, we'll go ahead and go to a question. And in Jeopardy, you'll remember that you always form your question in the form of the answer, so you give your answer first. So I'm going to go ahead and start with something very basic. Let's just say the heart. And I might say, what is the main organ of the cardiovascular system? So I would set that question, go ahead and punctuate it if you'd like, and then click Save. And you know that you did that question because that will then now be blank in that area. So let's say you're working really hard throughout class and time is up. This is where you would access this save button. It's so important that you remember your password because you'll see here that you will use this link to access your game, and you cannot forget this specific address right here. And I would say write this down immediately, what you see in this go-to area, because you will need that to get back into your game for you to edit your template. So that's the basics of Jeopardy Labs, which is a great Web 2.0 tool. You can use it at any grade level, any curricular area for you to create. You can do common assessments, you can do reviews, you can do really anything with the curriculum that you have in place.